Well, hi, and thanks for coming and joining me in my shop here for this quick video. Now, most of my viewers know what I do. I'm fixing old radios and stuff like that, and I've been fixing this. But you might be a different kind of viewer because this is a bit of a different topic. It's not so much about the electronic thing, but what I found on it. So you see a couple of knobs I've pulled off here, and under these knobs, kind of attached to this area, which has been removed now, was something a little bit unusual. Now, I snapped a couple photographs, so let me just get those up on the screen here. Take a look at them. What I'm going to be doing here is asking, what the heck is this? Okay, so this is a picture I snapped after I took the knob off and looked at it just with my eyes and went, "Ooh, what's that stuff?" But I didn't actually realize at that point, really, that this is really unusual stuff. At least to me, I've never seen anything like this. Now we can take a look at this under the microscope here. This is the same stuff. I just took it off and stuck it under my microscope, and this is what you see here. Now, if you know what this is, then you've seen enough already. Spider eggs? Is that what that is? Is that the orange things? Now look at the one that would be at the 3 o'clock position, if you imagine those things to be in a bit of a circle. It seems to have some kind of bluish, spongy material coming out of it. I think there's more of that bluish, spongy looking material in here. Like right here. Kind of to the lower left. Okay, so I've managed to max out the microscope here. This is about 600 times, supposedly 600 times its regular size. Just focusing along. You have to use the fine focus now to do this. Huh. Well. So what are all those black balls? Some little crystalline white thing there. Let's go scanning. This looks like some kind of berry plant, some kind of berries on it. Some white things there. So like a whole little world to itself. All this, the wonders under a knob. Holy smokes. An awful lot to look at here. I mean, you really have to sit and study this for a long time to really kind of tease apart what you're looking at. I'm sure some of this is just, hair and clothing fiber, regular household dust. I guess there'd be some skin particles in here. Well, it's right near the knob. Although this didn't grow while people were using that knob. This is like some kind of science fiction movie here. Like a dinosaur eggs I found. Look at the striations, I guess is the best word to use. You can see the way the light is on it. Very interesting. Whatever it is. there they are again. Striations, black dots. Little teeny tiny black dots. Hmm. Ooh, now is that inside there? Is that stuff coming out? That looks like stuff coming out of one, doesn't it? Doesn't it look like that? There's a lot of weird stuff in there coming out. You kind of think if something's coming out of something like this, it would be kind of one thing coming out, not. Of course, this has been, could be, it's been biologically reprocessed a couple times. Like it could be kind of mold or something like that, get in here and rot this stuff. And that's what I'm seeing here. Is that basically that would be, what do they call that? Those strings. Right. that's why I'm putting this on YouTube, so you can tell me what exactly. Now this one looks almost like it's not open. Wait, this one's ready to go. It's ready to pop. It's gonna pop right here. Boy, now if I had tiny tools, I could kind of cut that open. I think I could probably squish it. God knows what might come out of it. That doesn't sound like a good idea. I'll take one last look here at, whoops, this guy. Oh. Yeah, a little hard to steer. It's like right out of a science fiction movie, isn't it? This is the stuff they found on that abandoned spaceship in Alien. They found this stuff. Oh my God. Alien creatures. Maybe they were trying to study the technology, the radio technology, and then, yeah, sure. Okay. Keep my imagination to myself here. Didn't I say that was the last one we would look at? Yeah, I don't think there's anything too interesting here. Wow. It's a menagerie. What's that? That green thing, that green stalk. It's a green stalk there. Is this at some, this is like, oh, I don't want to say now because I'm going to let you guys guess, but I got another guess. And I bet you I just guessed what this is. Okay. I saw it enough. That should be enough for everybody. Yeah. Okay. Well, thanks a lot for watching, and please take a guess. Leave it in the comments. I'm going to keep my eye on them and see if somebody actually knows what the heck this stuff is. See ya.